think the most surprising set of new studies that have come out in recent years looked at the impact of very low levels of exposure to organophosphate insecticides for women that were pregnant. The studies measured the impact on the infants and children on their cognitive development and motor skills as they grew up, and reached very similar conclusions that women that were in the high exposure group during pregnancy all had children that had reduced IQs on the order of 4 to 7%. And these now have tracked many of these kids to age 9, and some of the cognitive deficit has disappeared, but not all of it.
One of the most intriguing findings that I've seen come from organic agricultural research is with respect to soil and soil ecology and soil quality and how that relates to plant quality and plant productivity. Organic agriculture has always recognized the importance of soil on plant health, on plant productivity, and the quality of food being produced off of that land. And conventional agriculture is just starting to realize those relationships and that importance.
It's not necessarily about organic, but it's the way in which some researchers have been portrayed in the popular press and have been managed by conventional industry, because their research doesn't necessarily support their view of the world, and may actually work counter to their marketing strategies for their particular products. And that to me is alarming. It's disturbing that can actually take place, because what that does is it discourages third-party research from being conducted, because other scientists will see that and see how politically difficult it is to do that kind of research. It would impact their livelihood, their families, their reputations, their ability to get funding in the future. Some faculty have actually had their jobs threatened. It's archaic, it's barbaric. That to me is shocking that can happen today.
There are two most shocking research findings to me. One is that there's essentially no scientific studies specifically aiming to research the health benefit of consuming organic diet in human. The second shocking news is a paper that published in 2012 by a group of medical doctors at Stanford University, claiming that according to their metadata analysis, there is no evidence of consuming organic food will be healthier or safer to individuals. Knowing that there's no research yet to demonstrate the beneficial effect of consuming organic food, I think the conclusion made by the author of the 2012 Stanford paper is no basis, premature, and probably violate the fundamental principle of practicing medicine, which is cause no harm.